communication. I'm saying, how can you bring forth the economics to that level that every individual is impacted in such a way that actually every thinking is going to impact its development.
You know, like Dr. Manmohan Singh, as a great economist, now when he says, "पैसा पेड़ में नहीं उगता है," he is educating people, right? That is half education. So like it is to be really brought in the context of like एक दिन fast factoring it. You know, if that would have been complete in a sense, what you want to communicate, पैसा पेड़ पे नहीं उगता. Now there are many interpretations. Normally, people it suits to the interpretation of human being as resigned and cynical. कुछ नहीं हो सकता. That is what people got it. But that is not a great leader will communicate. A great leader will communicate. पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते हैं, लेकिन और फिर जो नेक्स्ट लाइन था वो क्या हो सकता है, so that India can be developed. That's what we are exploring.
आज के डेट में नॉर्मल आदमी जानता है ये कि ये जीडीपी गवर्नमेंट का कैलकुलेशन, उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमसे कोई हमारा मतलब ही नहीं. तो ये बात जो भी कबीर जी ने कराया सर ने कहा कि हर आदमी समझ जाए कि जीडीपी में कंट्रीब्यूशन हमारा भी काम ड्यूटी बनता है. मैजिक हो जाएगा.
ड्यूटी नहीं है वो, आप ही कर रहे हो.
आप ही कर रहे हो.
एक समझो कि जहाँ देश है वहाँ मैं हूँ, देश वहाँ है क्योंकि मैं वहाँ हूँ.
हम ये जानते हैं ये गवर्नमेंट का ऊपर नीचे वो उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्रधानमंत्री करेगा, हमें क्या पता उससे.
ओके,
It's that's economics.
जनता ये समझती है. कितने परसेंट लोग समझते हैं जीडीपी की नहीं हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन होना चाहिए.
हमारा है. वो समझते नहीं है हम.
नहीं, जो economics से पढ़े वो बोलेगा जीडीपी.
And that is the failure of complete economist community. You know,
they assume.
Through you we are communicating. You know, like you are representing the economist community. आम जनता is giving you the message.
IPL जो टावर में बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, कैसल में बैठ के, they don't know that yes, this is also
right. And what they can make
need to be
difference by
communicated.
educating us.
So let us understand that EMBA is a bridge that we are constructing between the brilliance of management and the working of management. We are the GDP and the economist talks from GDP. Now this is not bridged. We have to bring this to this. How? By bringing this down here to take this. You know, the economist comes down to the masses, picks them up, how you have impacted and how we can impact. Now what is the development that we are talking about is not India develop. I am all the time telling Navin also, I want to develop here. This development is automatically going to be there. So what are we trying to do is bring that management of economy into individual's life as how will they grow. Practical. How we grow if I am impacting every human saying that you are growing, you are growing, you are growing, you are growing, grow higher, 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 higher. This is the context in which we have to operate. This is what I read.
This is the context of P&D.
In everything, whether it is statistics, whether it is economics, whether it is administration, everything has to come from there. But this is the target of it. Not teaching of economics too. And I am telling you today, we can talk because we have learned a little bit of economics. I won't say anything else. But there will be mass who have no idea of economics but they are millionaires. How will we enhance them? Today, how much is the parallel economy in India? You know what is parallel economy that I am talking about?
Yes.
If we bring the parallel economy into economy,
we will be bigger than US.
That's enough.
We will be bigger than US then.
Simple. So I am saying, you are insecure, you are holding the money in cash. Come on, put it here. No, income tax पकड़ेगा. कुछ नहीं होगा. Add it to it. It is a parallel economy also to be brought because the farmers are, the villagers are. They are not aware of banking and what it means. Suppose
Yes.
There we cannot go and talk about GDP. We have to talk about parallel economy to be brought into actual economy. You know what is parallel economy?
Well, it was bigger than the
Black money.
black money.
Cash flowing. Reserve Bank, Central Bank, what is printing? They are going crazy. Why the rupee value has gone down so much? Every paper is lying in the house. He said gold. At least it is converted. It is an asset actually converted, and the money is already inside. We have gold reserves. Today, if you would say every human, if they say, okay, I contribute 10 grams to the government, believe me, this government becomes richer.
India has the
Largest gold reserves inside of the house. So
That
if
sense
you want-
of insecurity.
It is the sense of insecurity. But I am saying the economics to be addressed and impacted are the pockets of human beings which can impact the GDP. The GDP can come later, but our economy has to be understood first. मैं बैंक से रोज 100 रुपए निकालो या 500 रुपए निकालो, पागल मैं तो बोलते पागल निकाल के रखना घर में 20,000 रुपये, मैंने नहीं क्यों रखा? जब एटीएम की सुविधा दी हुई है, मुझे जब चाहिए निकालो, तब तक वो सरकार रिलीज कर रहा है, तब तक मेरा जीडीपी बढ़ता है।
That is the kind of thinking.
Simple. So these are the tools that we have to bring forth in PMBA, that people have to value everything that they are doing.
every action they should guard how it can convert into higher
It is converting. Not how it can, it is converting.
But as you said, why not keep those 20,000 at home?
Yeah,
So
I said,
every
what?
day we don't
Bank
count
is
those
holding
days.
it, let it be. वो सारा रोटेशन में है, वो उसका सर्कुलेशन से बाहर नहीं निकल रहा है। मेरे को 20,000 रुपए में सर्कुलेशन बाहर निकाला। हम लोग सोचो ना, यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, 20,000 सर्कुलेशन से बाहर निकला। How much is our rupee value coming down? Isn't that economics? So we have to actually shift our context from teaching economics to understand the economics of your existence and how we can impact.
We can apply it to
I would say it is economic wisdom.
Yeah.
Economic wisdom. We should address more
Address
on
it, yeah.
Rather
And
than
then,
economic knowledge. Knowledge to wisdom.
now when the wisdom is there and you are actually exposing the GDP, how it is moving, we go up in our education. यार लाख रुपए में क्या कर रहा हूँ, घर में क्यों रखा हूँ? यार सामने तो अकाउंट है, सामने एटीएम है, 100 कदम चलो एटीएम है, बैंक बोलते जहां से लेना है ले लो, पहले जैसा नहीं है, 2 बजे बंद हो गया, 1 बजे मत आओ, लाइन में खड़े रहो, वो सब कुछ है नहीं, तो मैं क्यों झंझट करूँ? So first thing I want to impact is bring all the cash in. Isn't it transformation?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Now in US, all these transactions happen only with the
It's
card.
simple.
They don't remove cash.
They don't have cash.
They don't have cash. It's all happening through
Everything.
card. So banks get that much of money to use for a long time.
That's the value.
That's
but
the value that we
here
have.
in India, you will find everyone can.
Everybody gets cash.
Yeah.
That's good.
So I would say let's bring this.
It's like
economics.
change, I would say,
Yeah.
is needed. That is what is economic wisdom.
Wisdom.
I understood. So now let's think of, I want you to be ready with your notebooks. When we saw India ranks 10th on the list of nations as per GDP. And when we are thinking of HDI, that is Human Development Index, which is a better indicator of development, India ranks 136. So this is not acceptable for any layman. We will always think, why is this controversy? Why India is 10, so high in position, and why India is on 136th position in terms of HDI. I will just give you clues. HDI is measured on 3 parameters. One is per capita income. Second is health indicator, which is average life expectancy. The age at which average Indian dies. So it is around 70 now. And let me tell you, Japan is around 87, 88. So people tend to live longer there. and we have less. And the third is education, that is measured with literacy rate. Even if we consider literacy rate, that is the measure. So we want to now understand what makes us perform so differently on these two indicators. On one hand we are 10 and for HDI we are 136. So please write down whatever and then we will discuss.
Second was what? Health for life.
Health indicator, that is average life expectancy.
And
Third
where
is
will this mortality rate come? Is there any-
mortality rate should come here, it will come in.
That is the second part होगी ना mortality की
Health.
वजह
Health.
health में सब आ गया
Health में आ गया.
What you want us to write in this?
You write the reasons
Reasons why
India is getting rating so low, why it is at 136 position. Rank in terms of HDI. Though India is having 10th rank for GDP.
And fourth
Yes.
rank in purchasing power parity. PPP. India is fourth in the world.
In terms of purchasing power parity, if you convert that.
Yes.
Let's write down the reasons. नवीन जी आपको क्या लगेगा?
मुझे लगा कि जो पर कैपिटा इनकम है उसमें एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का जो लैक है उसको जो सपोर्ट नहीं है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप
ओके.
उसके कारण जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है उसके कारण इनकम लोगों का नहीं बढ़ पा रहा है तो पर कैपिटा इनकम आगे बढ़ नहीं पा रहा है
ओके.
और हेल्थ केयर क्या है कि नेचुरली हेल्थ केयर पे ध्यान नहीं है हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी जो गवर्नमेंट इज नॉन फंक्शनल normally healthcare and education is government area and government is non functional sort of
Both education and health.
healthcare तो उससे literacy और उसका भी ये होता है and another is awareness among the people about food habits and about medicine and all things. So lack of
So how that awareness can come according to you?
awareness regarding healthcare I'm talking about awareness can come through education.
Okay.
You know, in the childhood itself, education itself, it's like how they can take care of their health.
So
How
more
they-
education will improve the health.
Not
Automatically.
more education. It is right
Better.
education. Right education.
Right.
Like where people understand how it is so important. Their own health is so important.
Yes, नवीन जी, नयन जी आपको क्या लगेगा?
और मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों का एक सेटिस्फाइड नेचर है कि इतना इनकम सफिशिएंट है मेरी फैमिली दे आर नॉट एक्सपोजिंग देयर सेल्फ
Potential.
पोटेंशियल
अनिल जी आपको क्या लगेगा?
The difference between development and underdevelopment is very vast. The development is going on at the developed area and the underdeveloped is going down, which is causing unemployment, sickness, lack of education, everything.
So you mean to say the gap between
Gap
developed
between the
and
development,
okay,
the rich and the poor
is widening.
huge.
It's widening day by day. Okay. Yes, excellent.
Now we are saying that the government doesn't have those social health scheme and social education scheme which other countries have. It is totally the responsibility of the government to provide good health and all. Both of them are so costly here. People are not able to afford.
Okay, the cost. You have got out cost factor.
Education and
Cost of
Health-
education and
health
health.
also.
Verma ji.
Yeah, one of the reasons is about health is that India's expenditure, government expenditure on health is just 4% of GDP, which is the lowest, one of the lowest
Correct.
compared to any other country.
So this is ignored.
Yeah. And again, Naveen's view also I endorse because if the education level is poor, the health awareness level is also poor. So if you see the it's a very interesting statistics. In Kerala, where the literacy rate is the highest, the lifespan is also the highest. So the whole thing boils down to the rate of literacy. So the rate of literacy is high, health awareness is there, awareness for vaccination is there, awareness to take medicine is there, and then the lifespan also is there. So,
Mohanji.
and one last point about the poor education in India on that count, no?
Quality.
The delivery of primary education is very poor in India. Delivery. See, the government has got a lot of scheme, but delivery point is very poor. So delivery of primary education is at very abysmal low level.
Agree.
That's what.
We have to create more employment. So यदि इनकम यदि इंक्रीज होगा तो गवर्नमेंट का डिलीवरी नहीं है, स्कीम तो है, फंड भी है, इतना ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। और यदि इनकम बढ़ेगा तो वी कैन मतलब इसको कंट्रोल क्या लगता है हेल्थ फूड एंड एजुकेशन।
आपको क्या लग रहा है?
अभी जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है वो एजुकेशन सिस्टम को ये प्रॉपर नहीं, मतलब कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट की तरफ जैसा होना चाहिए वैसा
Employable नहीं। Education does not lead to employability.
So skill development is not there. It's only theoretical knowledge. Skill development part is not there.
I think for me, the biggest problem nobody pointed out is the extra population and black money. Those two is the biggest problem for this gap. Now, first question was that GDP may we are 10th and SDI may we are 136. This huge gap is purely, I think, according to me, is due to those two. Federal
Black
economy.
money came into existence when we are talking about the three subjects.
Per capita income in reality is very high, but if you count only a white money, then it is looking very low. Right? If like so today I know in surrounding my I'm Gujarati and most of the people around me are businessmen. They are hardly showing 10% of their real income. So if you really see per capita, I suppose that person is showing 50 lakhs of his income is actually earning 5 crore. So the point here is per capita is counted here based on 50 lakhs.
The declared income.
Declared income.
That is not even get it added to the GDP also.
Huh. So that is what.
Integrity and
Correct.
and
Integrity comes.
Integrity is very
Yeah,
low.
your point is
Others,
correct. You don't pay it to GDP.
patriotism is
Yes,
missing.
बराबर है तो.
But that way, Saurabh ji, country like Brazil and Chile and huge parallel economy, huge drug mafia and all. वो तो इंडिया से भी कितना टाइम से होगा, but still on SDI they are much higher than that. Because that is square.
Because I think education is the main reason.
Education is the main reason.
There the main education is the main reason.
Did I mention teachers and faculties are not up to
वो एक delivery हो गया ना boss. Delivery हो पड़ेगा ना delivery.
नहीं, that one about this thing, human development index as a whole. SDI में education delivery is primary delivery is
Very
absolutely poor. Teachers are responsible, government is responsible. The culture that we have made about the teachers not being seen as
Yes.
the most important asset.
Asset.
It's like the outlook is not towards that. Like teachers are the most important asset of any country. That culture has to alter.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट मिस्टर रंगा ने बोला है इंटीग्रिटी नहीं।
Integrity.
सारे प्रॉब्लम गवर्नमेंट पास फंड है, गवर्नमेंट दे रही है, पहुंच नहीं रहा है तक। स्कूल भी है।
कल रात के एग्जाम्पल बताता हूँ। 26 जनवरी का परेड हुआ बॉम्बे और 20,000 visitors are there. They have to be seated. How much money would you need to seat them to witness the parade? 20,000 कुर्सी लगेगी। कितना कॉस्ट होगा?
कुर्सी लगानी।
20 रुपए पर कुर्सी में ज़्यादा 20-25 रुपए
100
पर
रुपीस
कुर्सी।
मैक्सिमम अच्छी कुर्सी लगी है।
10 लाख।
3 लाख रुपए।
कुर्सी।
सरकार ने बजट कितना दिया था? 1 करोड़। और पेमेंट हुआ है 3 लाख। 1 करोड़ में आरटीआई फाइल करने का लगाया। इन्हें even this is our responsibility. 3 लाख रुपया खर्च है, 1 करोड़ रुपया बजट है, सरकार से निकला 1 करोड़, जेब में गया 3 लाख as effective GDP.
So 97 lakhs out of circulation.
तो यहाँ सारा मैथमेटिक्स फेल हो जाएगा जब तक इंटीग्रिटी नहीं आएगा लोगों में, गवर्नमेंट में, हर आदमी में.
And where is that integrity?
How can we build that integrity?
Simple. So are we? Now this question comes: how are we standing in integrity? Another, I would say, like he says, my clients don't pay. You know, I have taken this task of explaining people तूने भर दिया तो तेरा क्या नुकसान है और नहीं भरेगा तो नुकसान कितना ज्यादा होगा and converted people from चलो 50 नहीं तो 40 तो दिखा 10 तो रख ले क्या होना है that's a kind of a contribution that we can bring to GDP. I'm talking from the conscience that we can live with. 50 निकालने की बात नहीं, आज कैश में लेने के लिए कोई नहीं है. आज बिल्डर government did one good job is they said builders need not worry about income. इसलिए सब बिल्डिंग जो भी बनता है फ्लैट बिकते हैं सब चेक कर तो कितना सारा ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहा है सरकार कितना कमा रही है इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टैम्प ड्यूटी. पहले क्या था 20% 30% के वैल्यू में रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है 70% बिल्डर को देखते हैं क्या करेगा. अभी इनकम टैक्स फ्री है तो बिंदास बड़ा चेक लाओ कैश चाहिए. Any industry where income and of course our country's stupidest thing is the national income from income tax is what 7%.
National income from tax.
Income tax 6 to 7% and
Major-
expenditures 13%. And if you remove income tax by itself, believe me, the economy.
And that will cover our black money also
Yeah,
automatically.
yeah.
Yes.
इन्हें ये अटेम्प्ट हो गया था. मोरारजी देसाई बोला 10,000 का नोट आज हिलाकर डिपॉजिट करो नहीं तो कल से 0. पब्लिक जलाकर फूक गया रोटेशन से. इंदिरा गांधी बीएसआर डिक्लेयर करो हम लोग सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे. गोली गोली भर के बैंक में पैसे आए कितने लाखों करोड़ आ गए बैक इनटू सर्कुलेशन. सो all said and done
There are ways to bring that back.
back.
And we need to have courage to, implement it.
Except, I tell one simple thing. All the money that is lying in Swiss bank, you bring it. जो जितना लाएगा उसके नाम का एक मूर्ति खड़ा करके पूजा रोज होगी ये हम लोग
कुछ उसको प्रमोट करो ना कि उसको डराओ.
उसको बोलते हैं ना तेरी तो बड़ी तेरा 10 फुट का हुआ तेरा 15 फुट का सोनिया गांधी बोले 50 फुट का तेरा मूर्ति खड़ा करेंगे.
जितना ज्यादा रहेगा उतना ज्यादा
उतना खड़ा करेंगे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. और रोज पूजा भी करेंगे उसके लिए क्या लगाएंगे. But believe me, what will this country be?
Huge value income. Unbelievable.
And where we are there, how we are the cause, how I am the cause. Is this the question that I am asking?
All the time.
If not, nothing is going to happen.
Yes, if I give an answer for this, how I am the cause, like आज एक बात करो अगर हम लोग especially we are also doing corruption. Everybody is doing this. Like suppose आज अगर हम कोई traffic rules हम लोग break करते हैं, are we really paying according to the law? Most
Hello?
of us don't.
One, whenever you speak for yourself.
Yeah.
Don't include everybody.
Yeah.
I'll
Others
be offended.
dilutes the.
I'll be offended because what you're taking me is into a consideration that I'm also doing it.
Yes.
I oppose it.
Yes. Yeah, most of the people.
So I'm just saying the
Yeah.
best way to always speak is don't hide behind public. Say I do.
I do that. Yeah, that is all.
I don't do it.
Yes. Yes.
I've been caught last night. I was telling. I've been caught thrice in my life. वाला पूरा चलान बना. चलान भरा लेके आया अनाड़ी कोर्ट में आऊंगा मैं. Make sure that तेरा चलान भी ओरिजिनल. I take them to task completely. So
I said not generally, most of the
I
people.
do.
Don't do that.
I always pay. So
Don't-
there are many people who might be
Yes.
paying.
So don't do that. Everybody is corrupt. Everybody is like that. But
Yes.
if you say that मैं सिग्नल तोड़ता हूँ उनको 10 रुपए देके निकल जाता हूँ, then it's a very effective way of communication.
Yes.
You are generous.
So,
In speaking truth.
yes.
But then our rules will require some change to instigate the people to become honest. Because the rules are such that once I was caught by the police, generally I also follow what you are saying, that I don't mind paying the full and take a receipt rather than bribing him. But once when I was caught, I told him to tell me whatever the challan, I will pay the cash and give me the challan. He took my license and gave me a receipt and said, no, for this offence, I can't take the money from you. I can't give you the challan, you have to go to the court. And he gave me a date and all. So I spent around 3-4 days going to the court, and every time I was asked to come again, then I had to take a lawyer, spend the money there, and I had to asked to go to the Borivali court, stand in a queue, where there were some bar girls also standing ahead of me. So that was such a horrible experience, which perhaps may not now, next time if I do, I may not perhaps do this.
And actually, you have done the right thing to stand up to that.
Yeah.
And mainly because you are fearful now that the country will not progress. Is that if you have learned the lesson from there and you have become stronger, that, okay, nothing happened. In spite of all those
In
experiences.
spite of that, they charged me,
No, nothing happened. Nothing
which I
happened.
would have didn't mind and paid it there at
No,
the
but you
moment.
have, how much damage you might have done to the country. A small thing, there is a dent to the country, which is much bigger. And with this act of your bravery or hard work or effort or even money expenses that might have taken place, you have done some of your duty as being Indian, as being
I'm
Indian.
not denying that. I'm saying
And it is worth, see, whatever cost you have paid now, it is worth.
no, I'm not saying that.
Okay.
I'm saying even by going to the court, the judge penalized me for whatever minimum fine was there, which I paid. My only point is this responsibility by making a little change in the rule. The policeman who caught me could have given me a challan, I would have paid the 500 there rather than.
But then you have not gone beyond. You have not gone for filing the case. You have not taken it as a life mission. That at least आज मेरे रास्ते में ये आ गया ना, इस रोड़े को तो हटा के ही रखूंगा. एक काम भी छोटा सा यदि आपने कर दिया, the impact is that people like you or me or such people will get inspiration. I also got stuck and left it there, but he went up to the logical conclusion of removing this incident thing. So small things makes a big difference.
See, today, I'm just saying, I was caught once, I did not know. It's a no
Vikas,
parking
Pani,
zone.
please. Yes, sir.
तो नो पार्किंग जोन लग गया गाड़ी, पीछे से आया, मैंने बोला सर नो पार्किंग, ठीक है, चलो, बात खत्म हो गई. इनफैक्ट ही रेड माय नेम एंड सेस, और रामूर्ति साहब की क्या, मैं भाग जाऊँ, इससे तेरा क्या लेना देना, पहले चला. My mama was ELG of Maharashtra, that is beside, चला. एक बार सीट बेल्ट, मैं आगे कर सकता था, रात को कभी दिखता नहीं है सीट बेल्ट, थोड़ा सीट बेल्ट लाइन आउट rules. When we bind ourselves by the rules, then the first thing happens is next time we follow the rules. And if we find an escape route, we find that as a convenient way of making mistake. So now you remember forever, I remember forever.
रिश्वत देना तो हम सिखाते हैं.
रिश्वत हम चोर हैं, पहली चोरी नहीं की, तो मैं रिश्वत देना क्या, चोरी क्या है, मेरे को कानून की चोरी करना है. उसके बाद anyway, these philosophies are not important. Fundamentally, patriotism is missing in country, integrity is missing.
And how patriotism is missing as
I would say
No, complete ownership of my nation as my nation and my responsibility towards the nation is complete patriotism that I am. I am not committed to my nation. Today we are not talking about मैं ये करता हूँ तो मेरे देश के लिए गलत है, मैं यहाँ से बाहर जाता हूँ तो मेरे देश को क्या इमेज लेकर जाता हूँ, how am I behaving and projecting my country in some other country is what my patriotism talks about.
That is basically, as he also said, right from schooling. I feel this has to be a necessary ingredient in our system. वो पैट्रियोटिज्म का फैमिली में भी नहीं मिलता है, स्कूल में नहीं मिलता है, बच्चे नहीं सीख पाते।
स्कूल में जन गण मन के लिए खड़े कैसे रहते हैं? हम लोगों को क्या हुआ? मेरा तो बेसिकली हुआ क्या? I was trained in army school, मिलिट्री स्कूल में हम लोग फौजी बने, बचपन से फौजी बने। तो देश क्या चीज है कि हम लोग के रग में घुसा।
Now you have to pick up, you know, indulgence.
Okay, so now we have seen the reasons for HDI being so low in India, or India's ranking in terms of HDI being so low. It's like, you know, all of us have contributed and getting the reasons. This is like a mirror in front of us.
So is it that you know, TMBA can make a difference in SDI?
Yes, yes.
So what is the mission of TMBA from 136 to where it will take?
Now we can say we are always compared with China. China is on 100th rank, right?
Why compare with China? Why not number one?
I feel, yeah, of course we have to think on these lines, but as he also said, our major hurdle, all the three places we have got, you know, a lot of improvement. One is per capita income, which is GDP divided by population. That is the technical measurement of per capita income. So unless and until our income grows, maybe 100 times, we will not be able to reach per capita income of the developed nation.
It's not 100 times.
Because our population is so much.
And are you addressing that issue that because of inequality, which some areas
yes.
also
Right.
that
Real picture.
even if 100 times your things grows, if the poor remains poor, even if per capita income looks like higher, it is not impacting human development
Economic
index.
wisdom, again,
Human
right,
development
right.
index.
Human development index does not recognize that. It will go by per capita income figure, like GDP.
No, it will impact your this education and health.
Correct, correct. It will impact our education, and
yeah.
yes, yes.
Therefore,
that
they
is
have
true.
included all the three.
Correct. So it means we will have to work on all the three. We have to further increase GDP. We have to further focus on health, and we have to further focus on education. So all these three areas we need to, you know,
Actually,
focus.
TMBA must have its primary mission for SDI.
Yes.
I have been ongoingly repeating, as indulgence will say, that Bombay does not need TMB. Bombay needs the stream of the people to go into the village to just create infrastructure there. When we think of developing that part, we are actually bringing the GDP much faster. Developing only here and leaving that down, it's going to be a huge gap. And the rich is going richer and the poor are going poorer. So how about taking the TMBA into the masses where they can actually rise up to the awareness saying that
Actually,
I am.
that's what Ranga said on that day. 3 seminars in village, and we have already declared 28 first and second in village. Bihar, remote area, 28 first and second declared. But that is too little too late. We have to, but at least to begin with, it has a start. Better late than never.
That's right.
So can we say that how we can impact is not by just it is taking it there also, most important. And even if we say everyone who has taken, now let us understand that everyone who has taken individual projects as purpose of life has talked about what?
Every child is a healthy child.
And
Safe India,
Safe
country.
India.
now,
आपका क्या था? Employment.
And you know, your mission, your purpose, sir, Safe India. How much that will impact the GDP or FDI?
Safe India gives a conducive atmosphere for growth, right? So automatically GDP will increase.
See, one
Safe
small
India,
example.
yes.
One small example. Lot of foreign earning will go because of the lot of tourists coming here.
If
Singapore
suppose you
may
can
come in
quantify
the
that $1 trillion will be the impact in GDP growth, imagine what kind of purpose you are sitting on.
So I think the purpose of the session, should we close it? All of you have understood? Any query, any question in your mind regarding GDP and HDI?
So why you want to
इनका पानी डाला है?
To move ahead.
You want to give a opportunity to Saurabh to take session, right? You can say that.
Yeah, that is what.
Yeah, macroeconomics is whether it is complete.
Right.
If
Yes.
not, yes or no? Because we are not complete. I don't think we are
Yes, what we
mastering.
want to know more, that we can incorporate in the third semester also, tomorrow also.
Okay. So just check out. We don't want anything to be left out.
Right. So we can list down the areas which we can take.
I don't know. According to you, is it complete?
It's a very vast, now off the record, it's very vast and you simply
No,
can't
most of
compare
the
and-
things that you want, is it that you wanted to deliver as per your satisfaction? How much percentage of that you have delivered?
The things which are needed for transformation, I think yes. But things if you ask, as an economist, how much of knowledge, economic wisdom is more important for us, I think we have achieved. But still, if you have doubts, we can carry on the discussion. Otherwise, we can move out, you note down the things today, which can be taken up tomorrow.
Like because this book that we have got, is it microeconomics and macroeconomics?
Both.
This is such a vast book, right? There are so many topics which might not have been covered. So we are asking that question, and participant will ask you that question. So how much time you need more to cover everything of this?
Still 4-5 hours. If you want to really cover entire book.
Actually,
Yes.
We
this
can
is
at
what
least
is
4-5 hours.
this is both
Minimum.
microeconomics,
But
macroeconomics.
Still I tell you, in this I have covered only a 20 or 30%
Correct. So
of the
I won't
real
say
economics.
But is it
But
the
still, if but
most
this is
important
this
part?
is the most important part I have covered in this, and this still, if you want to do, we have
I will say,
hardly
I will
covered
need
30% of it.
10 days to cover
See,
all.
don't divert.
No, no, it's-
See, you can't play around with the participants, and at least we are not going to just go by that.
Yes.
So please answer my question. This is something which you think is sufficient to a certain extent,
Right? Yes.
to cover this. How much time you need?
Another 4 days I will need.
Okay. You are saying 4 hours. She is saying 4 days. What is the how she can reduce it to 4 hours, according to you?
Personally, you can take it up.
Look, the
That
point-
is, yeah, I have covered this, I have covered that. But if you ask me, are you satisfied? Then because you have put so much to tell.
We need to get that. You don't have 4 days, and you have to get it covered. 4 hours, okay, we can manage. That we can give 4 hours to you. You know, like somehow we can manage, either today or tomorrow.
But it means we will not cover the other things. So how are we going to reply to our participants?
No,
No,
actually,
this
it is not
is-
only this route.
This
Okay.
I am talking. So listening is very important. I am saying this.
Correct. Even if you take 4 hours tomorrow or wherever, you are going to take it at the cost of something else. Right? So participants will ask, okay, चलो macroeconomics तो पता चला, पर ये तो आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं. So how are we going to justify that?
Question is different.
The same question.
No,
Time is the
no,
question.
obviously you are asking some different question and he is asking some different question.
No,
Yeah.
I will cover in 4 hours. Suppose I can cover. Suppose in 4 hours.
First you get relaxed.
Okay.
Just relax.
Okay.
Take a glass of water if possible, if it is around. You are the boss. You are the boss. And you will get more difficult student than any of us sitting here. So you understood that in 4 hours you will be completing this, right? Now, completing means inside of the context of not what you want to give, inside of the context of they get it. For example, I will say fiscal policy, right? So, asking one question, what do you understand by fiscal policy? And then you explain the service and how it will impact the country. So these 2-3 questions you will be covering 5 minutes. That's all. Then somebody asks question. Some participants ask this. Okay, separately. But basically you have given on fiscal policy this. Similarly, you have monetary policy. Right? 2 line, 3 line. I will just tell you. And then if somebody wants to be detailed, they should go to the college.
Yes.
There are many online MBAs there.
They
But you touching some part of topics.
If that could have been decided, I would have covered this in the given time.
In fact,
It did not happen because we go on discussing.
It is all right.
It doesn't happen.
It is all right. In fact, you can cover in 1 hour.
No, not in 1 hour.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
First, the context is established very clearly, even touching the topic and backed by notes gives you a faster access. But if the context is not clear, the input of knowledge is never satisfying. So you do more and more and more of it. If we are talking about EMBA as a context, and what is the function of EMBA, National Development, what is the part of the human being on this platform as far as national development is concerned, and in which I have brought economics as a topic. In that economics, we can impact GDP, HDI, fiscal policy, These are the topics which we can think about and talk about. How do we impact that? It's like throwing everything there. And if I have the notes, I can always go home and do my research. So how much time will that take? Are you getting what I'm saying? One, we are already having this particular amount of notes, which is a hard work done, extracted from the economics, thinking that it is important for human beings. It's there, plus it's already done.
It's a very thorough. She has done it.
I'm talking about the economics.
So, but it has done some research, has gone into that.
Exactly. So sort of, you doctor, it's not important. What I'm saying is we have already created a kind of a booklet which is having all information. Now impacting the human being to think from GDP, HDI is caused here. And fiscal deficit क्या है, fiscal policy क्या है. So these are all vast, but how can we impact even if you take GDP or HDI? Isn't it enough for us to understand?
That is what we have to address.
Exactly. So if the
Let's
context is
suppose you
clear,
would have completed everything there, but the way we have got GDP or SDI, if that thing is not done, then we would have rated this as 50% marks, and this we will be rating 80%. Only thing is that few topics not covered, that we can always do. At least 80% of our satisfaction is there. In fact, it can work in some cases.
shall I put it this way, one simple thing. You touched LTI. You said there are 3 areas. And you said 4 areas. Health, education.
Okay.
Health, per capita. Health is a project here. Education is a project here. Huh? You also spoke about
Employability
per
per capita.
Per capita income.
Yes.
Now, instead of addressing here, if we address the book, it will be a big question. Now, if you have linked economics to everyone's purpose of life, that is clearly given. Isn't it? Or is it the management that we are teaching about?
Finally, it's purpose of life.
Purpose of. Let us focus on, if transformation is the first thing in a human sense that we are talking about, transformation, P is the most important part. And transformation to economics, how economics can support the purpose of life. And how purpose of life impacts, country growth,
Right.
developing. Now, how consciously and how patriotically or how integrally we can bring that into existence, the job gets done.
That's true. But then, whatever we have mentioned, now see, we
You
have
see,
never,
the two topics
this is
that you have
the topic
mentioned.
that you have developed. Right. Now let's also take a view of what is the relevance of that which is included there.
It will come.
Is it really required?
So,
Because,
like,
the integrities like price discrimination, or if you have to say fiscal policy, monetary policy, these are the things which are not mattering much
not much.
for.
So now that's what I would say. If I want to learn economics, I would go to economics school.
Correct. So
But if
this-
I'm talking about TMBA, what am I learning is the management of my life, which is going to impact the development of the nation. I would rather care more and do everything with integrity in my life, such that that can happen. Why not awareness?
where we need to give focus.
That's the
Right.
easiest way.
Right.
That's the easiest. That's the easiest way to transform the country. We cannot stand on the top of the hill with the microphone and just development. No. If we are individually waiting on to our purpose of life, we are actually contributing to making a difference. बूंद बूंद से नदी बने, नदी नदी से सागर. तो मेरा बूंद भी ना सागर के जितना महत्वपूर्ण होगा, तो बूंद का महत्व पता चलेगा. बोले नहीं, तू सागर है तो मेरे पास आ, सागर है मेरे पास आ, हर बूंद का वैल्यू है.
It's like if microeconomics, as we have rightly explained, microeconomics is with person or with firm, organization, right? So if you see that my participants, they have got value in understanding their economics of their personal and their firm. So you say microeconomics is over. Similarly, if you see that the country's economy has got impacted because of discussion of macroeconomics or chapter. So you have done whatever you have done today. Now, once you go through your subjects again, in the light of this context, because this context, there is a lot of things you are getting today, which we have not discussed yesterday, right? So it's a new thing. So inside of this context, you may say, can I get some more time? Because now these things are coming, this will impact country, this will impact company, this will impact individual, micro and macro. And then you can say, okay, I need another 3 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, which can be managed over tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And then, it's 100%. So instead of 80% marks as a faculty, you are getting 100%. Satisfaction, marks is not a criteria here, it's the satisfaction. 100%. I have delivered microeconomics and macroeconomics like no professor on this planet. That you can close on the Sunday or Saturday, because it is ongoing. You are discovering it today. Tomorrow. People might have been doing it on notes and books. You are inventing it. That way, if you want more time, if you are satisfied, yes, the things that were supposed to be delivered, you are the boss.
See, the refinement will come as we go ahead with the various courses. So today, let's say that the refinement is 80% high
It
Very
was
high.
in the
Very high.
last semester
I
when
say it's very high.
Saurabh ji was delivering. If I have to compare, because he is there, I can compare.
Yeah.
That the delivery has gone to next level. Is that it, Saurabh ji? Because of the participation.
If I see my delivery in the first semester and compare with other deliveries, I would rate it at just 20%. Let me accept it. Because it was not connected. My delivery, when I spoke about the value delivery, it was not connected to the life
Connecting,
purpose.
that's the most important. If the link is not happening,
It was not there because, like you see, because we have worked for decades. I have worked in organization, corporate life. You have worked in academics. So it is very, very natural that our delivery will be conditioned by whatever we have done. So absolutely, what you are doing is absolutely, I said 100%. Naturally you are doing. But then, if we need to condition it as per the requirement of the TMBA, it's a refinement tool. Refinement will come, and it is coming. I would say it is coming.
It has
It's a
come.
community.
that TMBA is a tool for every individual. The goal is national development. Let us come to the brass tacks of the entire story is, I am here because I am committed to build the nation.
Yeah. See, last week I was in my hometown, Hazaribagh. There is a university there, Binawal Bhave University. There I spoke about leadership, and it was overall clapping. But the clapping, why the clapping was there? Because it was purely academic, based on my organizational experience. There is no connection with the development. And the students, they were all MBA students, director, faculty. They are all attuned to the academics and some part of organization. So there was overall clapping. But same kind of presentation, if I make it fair, it may not be relevant.
But this presentation, when you take it back in the same context what we are talking about,
Yeah.
it can make a huge impact there.
Yes.
That's what is our job.
That's what I tell you.
I'm telling you that's where we need to be. We may not be. We are developing ourselves here as terms of faculty and taking this intelligence or this transformation
Into the conventional sense,
place.
because that is not working.
Exactly.
The system is not working. More than 80% don't get placed. And if they get placed, they take 5 years time to even be employed or really employed.
Yeah. They are
See,
It's not working.
Urban to rural is 70.
Yeah.
I'll tell you the ratio. Urban to rural is 70% to 30%. The GDP contribution is 30%.
उल्टा है, बिल्कुल दोनों उल्टा है.
And managing 70%. What the hell are we talking about? And out of the 70%, 30%, 3% are very integrated people or the sincere people. 27% of the people are not very dedicated, are not in integrity to pay 100%. But what an imbalance!
Yeah, but Rangaji, take this case where 50% of the world's wealth is centered with only 80 people. There was a report recently, you must have read it.
Correct.
Yes.
Just 80%.
Only Jewish.
People don't want to share the secret.
They don't want to say this. 50%.
And that is exactly what we are doing. See, it is very easy to not to talk to anybody. What we have got the distinction, just keep on applying. It's very easy to build the wealth much faster than what the way I'm building or we are building. But then, what is the difference then? The inequality that we are talking, what is the difference? That all these 80 people know these things what we are talking, but that is secret. They are not sharing with the people.
They're not sharing.
So if we will do the same thing, I will be 81st one. That's all. What will happen to the whole thing?
Can I give one homework? Each one of us should stand as a chief minister.
Ajay?
Chief minister.
Okay.
Any, means it's not the state as a state. If you are a chief minister, what would you take as a project? If you are the chief minister of the state, I'm not talking about prime minister, take chief minister, state. What would you bring forward as a change to impact the GDP or HDI or nation?
Let's discuss this.
anybody who wants to share one thing.
I will take building entrepreneurs.
Building action. That's all.
Education is a
Yeah, how? Means education is general.
yeah.
As a chief minister, what about education? How would you want it?
The basic, first of all, we are talking about 70-30. So I would pay more focus to the remaining 70% people because they are in the villages. Just educate them from the very low level. So the first project should be to have a proper school level infrastructure.
Got it.
That is the first base which we need right now.
Very good.
And then gradually after success of that you can build on.
Yeah. What would you do?
Generate employment.
Agree. How would you?
How you will do it?
And implement.
Don't speak general. You are chief minister.
Which
You have to
project?
give an order. How will you order it? मुझे ये चाहिए. I will generally create general employment and all that is very good. See, now we have to sharpen our thinking. This exercise is not about how intelligent you are. How sharp I am in my thinking and how quick I am in my action. Sir, आप क्या करोगे?
मेरा तो बहुत सिंपल है. मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर, what I will do, I will link the promotion and upgradation of all the videos you see in block development officers and the medical officer of each block inversely proportional to the mortality rate of the children in the village. कुछ नहीं करना है. कि अगर विलेज में 10% मोर्टेलिटी है, अगर वो 8% हो जाएगा तो तुमको उतना ही इंक्रीमेंट करना है. 5% हो जाएगा तो इंक्रीमेंट देंगे.
That is operational. Operating
And then appointing.
Yeah, but context is not operating practice. Operating principle is operating practice is only if the principles are at place.
Yeah, principle here is the purpose here is to decrease the mortality rate.
Which is
Number one, okay, decrease it. By how I do it? By activating, by ensuring that the medical officer and nurses, they are always on job therapy because they don't come to the hospital.
No, got it. Suppose if you are saying I am impacting the GDP by decreasing the mortality rate, the average rate goes up.
बढ़ गया ना उधर बढ़ गया ना.
Let us
Basic level पे काम
got
किया.
it. Absolutely correct, sir.
I pay attention to the education in such a way that the syllabus there is will be in such a manner which gives the education to the children, which promotes them towards the integrity and patriotism.
Oh, yes, sir. These are all practices. And
How you will
you know, what you say, what I do. What is the context in which you are going to be doing all that?
Education, improvement in the education in such a way which is not just theoretical the way it is today, but it is really practical, which makes our children more towards integrity and patriotism.
More of
Because it will already automatically will have effect on the other things. Once they have an integrity and patriotism towards the
All
country.
the three parameters.
Everything else is achieved.
basic level पे काम करोगे. Basic level.
Yes, ma'am.
एक जो पेट्रोटिक है इसकी बात से अगर जितने भी एजुकेशन में अब्रॉड जाते हैं और वहीं सेटल हो जाते हैं उनको इंडिया में वापस ला
State की बात करें. State.
तो हो सकता है कि जो ट्रैवलिंग बॉम्बे के अंदर जितना रश हो रहा है फॉर द एम्प्लॉयमेंट और अपनी सिटी में डेवलपमेंट करें
Opportunity, job opportunity in state.
Vegetation and
Health, education, infrastructure.
education infrastructure. कैसे सोचो?
Sir, what is the health? कि
वो सब ठीक है. आप क्या करो? इसके बारे में
Exact
सोचो.
कैसे implement करें?
देखो हम लोग क्या करते हैं. मैं अभी क्या कह रहा हूँ. आइडियाज बहुत बोल सकते हैं लेकिन उसको है ना शार्पन नहीं किए.
उसको implement
Action
करना.
में नहीं आएगा वो. फिर वो आइडिया में रह जाएगा. एक बंगला बने न्यारा वाली बात. सच बात बोलता हूँ. We are all dreamers and intellectual aspirators. We are thinking very big.
कोई तो मेरा बंगला बना दे.
मेरा मंदिर बनवा लेकिन मेरा बंगला
ये डेवलप इंडिया कोई बना दे
बना दे, मैं इसका पानी बनाऊंगा।
ऐसा प्रोवाइड greater facility for health, education.
So you are saying I'll build hospitals and schools.
Healthcare hospital, schools, and infrastructure, food, मतलब road, electricity, and for irrigation, मतलब agriculture irrigation,
ठीक है,
fertilizers.
अब वो तो फिर हमारा लिस्ट बन जाएगा। पहले ये सोचो
एक प्रोजेक्ट क्या? एक लेना।
प्रोजेक्ट लेना है, कोई एक प्रोजेक्ट लेना, उसमें से 4 इंसान को भी आपने कर दिया ना, बेड़ा पार है आपका।
Health and education.
4 को अगर आपने कर लिया तो बेड़ा पार है आपका। चीफ मिनिस्टर जी 4 लोगों को पढ़ा दो, 4 लोगों को है ना हेल्थ में इतना आगे ले जाओ तो बेड़ा पार है। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि how to simplify and bring it to the micro level to impact the
प्राइमरी लेवल का जो